Wife was in Canada at that time. The Honorable Supreme Court noted this in the order of transfer that wife is employed and she is in Canada. Therefore, no question of granting any maintenance. In the state of the parties, in the fact, it's a petition filed with wife seeking transfer of the case filed by the husband from Mangalore to Mumbai. In our opinion, case, no case is made out for transfer of the petition from Mangalore to Mumbai. Wife is a permanent resident of Canada. Now what? And finally, my lord, she now files an application for maintenance and for reimbursement, etc. That the Honorable Family Court holds. Her income is about 2 lakhs per month, and she is not entitled.
Where do you get that?
That becomes.
You are in Bangalore and you are.
No. Only thing is this, my lords. Only thing is, now I will not say. I will only say, my lords. My lords will decide on this for this reason, my lords. It's not a question of 8,000. For this, she has been dragging on the proceedings. Actually, she also doesn't want this amount because her income is several lakhs of rupees. Now,
where she wanted this proceedings to be transferred?
She wanted in Mumbai. Supreme Court.
Let it go to Mumbai.
On the Supreme Court itself said, my lords.
No, you tell that. I'll not pay 8,000. Let the matter go to Mumbai.
Petition. Originally, divorce proceedings filed by the wife in Mumbai, and the matter was.
Question: what is the improved order?
Honorable Supreme Court transferred the proceedings to Mangalore. And before, at that time, my lord, the Honorable Supreme Court considered the mediation report, and Honorable Supreme Court itself mediated for a long time. Wife was in Canada at that time. The Honorable Supreme Court noted this in the order of transfer that wife is employed and she is in Canada. Therefore, no question of granting any maintenance and no question of paying any other.
Where do you get that?
That page 52, the Honorable Supreme Court's order. Page 56, my lord, may kindly see.
Yes.
In fact, a petitioner being a permanent resident of Canada was habituated of that lifestyle. Marriage was just to spoil dash dash. Then my lord, the middle portion, got a job in ICICI Bank. After reaching Mumbai, she applied for a job in ICICI Bank, etc. Then my lord, para 9, she purchased a flat, etc. Then kindly see the reasoning of the Honorable Supreme Court's order. Your lordship may kindly go to page 61.
Yes.
Para 20. Considering the state of the parties in the fact it's a petition filed with wife seeking transfer of the case filed by the husband from Mangalore to Mumbai. In our opinion, case, no case is made out for transfer of the petition from Mangalore to Mumbai. Wife is a permanent resident of Canada. She must be traveling abroad regularly. As she is evident from the observations of the mediation report dated and submitted by Justice Vijay Vasivda. The petitioner was in Canada throughout the mediation process and attended the proceedings online. There is no child born of those ones. Both the parties are well educated, engaged in their own jobs and professions. She can travel to Mangalore to attend the hearing of the case and can also seek exemption. Though at present consider the financial condition of the parties on the basis of the material come on record, we do not find any grounds made out for issuing direction to respond to pay the expense of petition for traveling to Mangalore. Still, in case she feels like seeking reimbursement, she shall be at liberty to file application. Now what? And finally, my lord, she now files an application for maintenance and for reimbursement, etc. That the Honorable Family Court holds. Her income is about 2 lakhs per month, and she is not entitled.
Where do you get that?
That my lord, may kindly see, my lord, page 165.
Page
165. Para 34, my lord.
Yes.
That she has been working abroad, and about the income, page 164 with kind permission. Kindly excuse me, page 164, para 32 shows the income, etc. She has received several lakhs. It's in the account. Para 32, para 33 about the property of 2 crores. Para 34, she is working abroad and she was in ICICI Bank, etc. And after holding this, page 166, third line, last year she received more than rupees 15 to 16 lakhs on credit as credit or deposit, etc. Then para 36, last line, there's nothing to show that she is unable to maintain. And my lord, finally, the application of maintenance was dismissed. Operative portion only, I beg to now read, my lords, page 171. The prayer of the please, my lords. Page 171, please, my lords. Prayer of the IA number 6 so and so is hereby allowed in part. Prayer of the respondent wife for maintenance pendant.
8,000 is granted.
Now this problem is this. As is entitled to sum of rupees 8,000 per month hearing. Now, my lord, she is employed now in Mumbai. when she
Happen
comes.
You are in Bangalore and you are.
No, only thing is this, my lords. Only thing is, now I will not say, I will only say, my lords will decide on this, for this reason, my lords. It's not the question of 8,000. For this, she has been dragging on the proceedings on this count, my lords. Our grievance is this, my lords. Now, whenever, if he is really entitled is one aspect. My lord.
That too, the Honorable Apex Court has already observed that she
If-
can do it.
If
She can do it. So you say you can, now you
Yeah.
cannot say that she cannot.
that I won't say. I will say this is not justified in doing. May I submit only this, my lords? I will deposit the amount before this one. Could your lords may kindly decide whether she is entitled to this amount, because let the matter go on. As far as the amount is, actually she also doesn't want this amount because her income is several lakhs of rupees. Now,
Then we'll order notice instead of passing any orders in the.
and as for this, because of this amount, now what has happened is, my lords, now kindly see page 171, there afterwards, page 188, the learned special judge, family judges calculated the amount payable for the dates when she has appeared and said he has to pay for page 188, my lords.
For a sum of 8,000 from the petitioner husband on each and every date of hearing towards a traveling expense.
Yes, yes.
Attend this court for defending his subject.
Please, please,
and
ma'am.
so.
And afterwards, there is one more order passed at 188.
But court was very reasonable.
My lord, she was actually not entitled to at all this amount because her income is more.
No, then
Admitted.
where she wanted this proceedings to be transferred.
She wanted in Mumbai. Supreme Court,
Let it go to Mumbai.
Honorable
again
Supreme Court
on your-
itself said,
No,
my
no.
lords.
Now you tell that I'll not pay 8,000, let the matter go to Mumbai and I'll not, then she will not ask for anything.
Honorable Supreme Court, lengthy judgment, my lords, observed her conduct.
That's
She has
what,
separate,
you
separate
know,
everything.
Your client can't have both.
I may only submit, my lords.
Yeah.
Now that in page 188, they say you have to deposit 24,000 and 5,000 towards the cost, 29,000. This is one aspect. Last para says if you don't deposit, then the further proceedings are required to be stopped. Now, my lord, we don't want the further proceeding to be stopped. At the same time, my lord may kindly decide whether she is entitled to this amount or not. As far the deposit is concerned, I am.
Hey, no, now itself I'll decide. Without issuing notice to her.
She has also challenged the order, my lord. So
This order.
she has challenged the original order. There is a writ petition which is pending before
No,
the
that's
Supreme
what,
Court.
if that is there, both will decide.
That
Where-
your lord
what
may
is the
go.
number?
In the my lord, may I have mentioned in the writ petition, my lords, that is.
Post along with it on Monday.
May I pray one aspect, my lords. That's 84825 of 2024.
Yes.
WP number. In the meanwhile, may I only submit this, my lords? Now that I have understood my lord's words, you kindly permit me to deposit this said amount before this honorable court or the trial court, whichever my lord votes, this 29,000 amount. I will deposit because it's my duty. Understood, but I will deposit it now. And my lord will decide it because we will definitely decide the matter because we will be able to satisfy my lord that making the claim of this amount is not proper because of the conduct, etc.
So the purpose of having that petition is we'll dismiss that petition and we'll dismiss this petition also.
That I
For
understand. Therefore, I will make my endeavor.
On Monday.
Your lords may may I pray my lords direct us to deposit this amount
Yes,
and
it will come on Monday, that will decide that itself on Monday. Monday, post on Monday.
Please,
Along
please,
with so in.
please.